weeks after the presentation of Samsung's first folding cell phone, the Samsung Galaxy Fold, we know that Samsung could be exploring new formats to continue with its catalog of folding phones. The latest patents registered by the Korean giant show a rather bizarre folding phone concept. It is a folding phone whose rear camera is removable, a mechanism similar to digital SLR cameras, which would allow changing lenses. The patent explains that the device would have an internal camera to which different photographic modules can be attached. This means that, if it becomes a reality, the phone could go on sale with different objectives that we could use depending on the needs of the moment. Regarding the front camera, according to the images of the patent, it seems that the flexibility of the screen would allow us to use the rear camera also in front, a mechanism similar to Huawei Mate X. It is only a patent and the concept may not materialize in a final product. However, it is interesting to see how manufacturers want to take advantage of the technology of folding screens that, without a doubt, are the present and the future of the mobile market.